You've crocheted a single crochet through back loop only below for short. A single crochet is to be hooked through the half of the needle that is far away from us. Pick half a needle away from us to hook a single crochet. Crochet through back loop only. It's this half needle single crochet that's away from us. The only thing left unhooked is the first half of the needle. Crochet a single crochet through back loops only. Crochet a single crochet through back loops only. Crochet a single crochet through back loops only. This is what happens after the hook. The first half of the stitch over here does not hook, this is the first half.